Welcome to UpstarPlus. To remove payment methods from your Google account, go to google.com and log in. After login, click profile icon at the top right. Click manage your Google account. Click payments and subscriptions at the left. Under payment methods, click manage payment methods. And here payment methods that you added in your Google account will be listed. These payment methods reflect everywhere in Google Apps or services. If you add or remove any of these from here, it will reflect everywhere in Google services for your account. Direct link to this page is payments.google.com. Click remove link and confirm removal to remove a particular payment method from here. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.